In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize invoice templates in Zoho Books. Whether you're freshening up your financial documents or shaping an entirely new invoice look, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to log in to your Zoho Books account. If you're not already signed in, head over to the Zoho Books website and use your credentials to access your organization's account. Having your business finances efficiently organized is crucial, and customizing your invoices is a fantastic way to ensure your brand's identity is clearly represented in all your transactions. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the gear icon, which is your gateway to a variety of settings and customization options. Go ahead and click on it, then from the drop-down menu, select PDF Templates. This option will allow you to manage all document templates, and since invoices are some of the most crucial documents for any business, this section is especially important. Now that you're on the PDF Templates page, look towards the left sidebar and click on the Invoices tab. This will bring up all your invoice templates, allowing you to easily choose and modify the one that suits your needs. Zoho Books offers great versatility, so you can rest assured you'll find something here that aligns with your brand personality and requirements. If you're seeking a fresh start, click on the Plus New button. This will allow you to create a new invoice template from scratch. However, if you prefer building on an existing foundation, feel free to browse through the gallery of pre-made templates and select one that catches your eye. Using a template from the gallery can save you time and provide professional aesthetics that you can still personalize. Once you've chosen or created your template, you can modify elements such as the layout, color scheme, fonts, and even the placement of critical information like your company logo and contact details. These elements are important for maintaining consistency with your brand's image and ensuring clarity and professionalism in your invoices. When you're satisfied with how your invoice looks, it's time to finalize your work. Click the Save button. This will store your customized template, making it ready for use in your accounting processes. Having a well-designed invoice template not only aids in presenting a cohesive brand image, but also streamlines your business transactions. And there you have it. With these steps, you've just created and customized an invoice template in Zoho Books. Remember, the goal is to reflect your brand's uniqueness while maintaining professionalism and clarity in your financial interactions. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials to keep your business running smoothly.